Welcome, Pleasant Grove High School. Let's review writing the summative letter for the Pleasant Grove High School Capstone project. What is the summative letter? Well, this is a letter reflecting back on your year at Pleasant Grove High School. All students in the 9th, 10th, and 11th grades are required to complete a summative letter at the end of each school year. All of those letters will aid in the creation of your reflection research essay and your capstone presentation. These will be due in your senior year. So it's imperative that you keep copies of your letters in your Google Drive as you progress in high school. Additionally, students will not pass advocacy in the spring semester if they score less than a 7 on the summative letter. Your summative letter will connect to the Elk Grove Unified School District graduate profile. You can find these graduate profiles in your grade level Google Classroom. So how do you write it? Well, 9th graders, you have to write a letter that's 650 words minimum, and 10th and 11th grades, 850 words minimum. For your prompt, all aspects of the letter must be relevant to the prompt and maintain a professional tone. You have 4 paragraphs in total. Let's review what you're going to write in each of these paragraphs. In the first paragraph, this is your introduction. You're basically going to say hi, introduce yourself, and give a summary on how your school year was. You're going to explain what challenges you faced, what skills you developed, and how you grew as a student and as a person. In your second paragraph, you are going to highlight one graduate profile skill. For example, communication collaboration. You're then going to describe that skill that you learned, developed, or improved. Describe one or more assignments or activities that required use or development of this graduate profile skill. Example, did you give a presentation in class? And then lastly, how did you use or build the school in completing this work? That's your second paragraph. Your third paragraph is very similar to your second paragraph, except you're going to be choosing a different graduate profile skill. In your last paragraph, you're going to explain any future plans you have. Reflection containing a full description of the following elements. 1. What is your future plan or goal that you made or worked on towards this year? What did you do to work towards achieving that plan or goal? Explain why that plan or goal is beneficial to you, and how will you use the graduate profile criteria to achieve these goals? How is it graded? You can look in your grade level Google Classroom to see a sample rubric and also a sample reflection. Your summative letter will be read and scored by a PGHS staff member. It may or may not be your advocacy teacher. The letter must fully address the prompt. In order for the summative letter to be scored, all aspects of the letter must be relevant to the prompt and maintain a professional tone. See the grading rubric in your grade level Google Classroom. In order to receive a passing advocacy grade for the spring semester, remember, your summative letter must earn a 7 or higher. And if your word count is less than the minimum, you will receive a 0. Remember, freshmen, that's 650 words, and 10th and 11th graders, that's 850 words. So where do you submit this letter? You're going to submit your letter via a Google form. You should first type it up in a Word document, but then you'll submit it into this Google form. Again, this will be found in your grade level Google Classroom. Remember, type your summative letter in a Google Doc, use spelling and grammar tools, use the word count tool to ensure you have met your word minimum, follow the prompts, check your sharing settings, and check your grade level Google Classroom for more information. You can also go to pjhs.net and under Students and Families, find more information on the Capstone project and writing the summative letter. Okay, Pleasant Grove High School, let's write your summative letter.